A traditional microscope allows us to view the details of small objects using visible light. But visible light only provides information about the color and shape of an object. However, a microscope using infrared radiation instead of visible light can obtain microchemical information, revealing the true nature of the sample. Infrared radiation for microscopy is generated in one of two ways: a thermal source or a quantum cascade laser, QCL for short. Thermal IR sources are diffuse emitters of infrared radiation that spread their power over a broad spectral range. In contrast, QCLs can generate coherent infrared radiation at discrete, selectable wavelengths. Its high brilliance makes the QCL radiation more focused at a much higher intensity. This can be leveraged to increase signal-to-noise ratios, making QCL perfect for microspectroscopy. This higher spectral power density, however, comes at the cost of a reduced spectral range, which significantly limited the use of early QCLs. Luckily, today's QCLs can cover the full molecular fingerprint spectral region, and the time is right to discover the new applications of QCL microscopy.